This new creepy cartoon video style is going viral right now on TikTok and YouTube. Some accounts doing this have posted less than 25 videos and they're already getting millions of views. No face, no animation skills, no complicated editing. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create these creepy cartoon videos using just AI. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create videos like this in minutes. Even if you're a complete beginner. People love creepy stories, dark facts, and scary cartoon visuals. When you combine that with AI, it becomes fast to create, easy to scale, and perfect for faceless YouTube automation. These videos perform extremely well on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, Reels, and even long-form YouTube videos. Now, normally, if you wanted to create this type of video the manual way, you would first generate your script using ChatGPT. Then you would generate your voiceover using a tool like 11 Labs. After that, you would create images using an AI image generator like Leonardo AI or Ideogram. Then you would animate those images in a video editing app like CapCut. Finally, you would add captions, background music, and sound effects. That process works, but it's time-consuming and confusing, especially for beginners. But now you don't need to do any of that. You can generate the script, voiceover, images, captions, animation, and background music using one AI tool. And the AI tool we'll be using in this video is clippy.ai. Once you come over to clippy.ai, the first thing you want to do is sign up for a free account. After signing up, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Inside Clippy, you'll find a wide variety of templates in different niches. You'll see templates for 2D videos, 3D videos, AI stories, scary stories, creepy cartoons, and many more. For this video, we'll be focusing on the scary stories or creepy cartoon video style. So go ahead and select a creepy or scary story template. Next, you'll need a script. The good thing is, you don't need to generate your script outside this tool. Inside Clippy, you can simply type in a prompt describing what you want the story to be about. This could be a true life event, a creepy fact, a dark mystery, or a scary historical story. For example, you could type something like, a creepy true fact about Mount Everest. If you ever struggle with ideas, you can still use ChatGPT to generate topics. Once you enter your prompt, click Generate. In just a few seconds, Clippy will automatically generate the full script for you. After the script is ready, the next step is to select the template style you want to use. This controls the cartoon art style, the mood, and the overall visual tone of the video. Next, you'll choose an AI voice. Clippy has a wide library of AI voices you can choose from. Scroll through the voices and pick the one that best matches the emotion of your story. For creepy stories, slower and deeper voices usually work best. Once you've selected your voice, the next step is captions. Clippy has auto captions built in. Simply turn captions on and choose a caption style that fits your video. Captions are extremely important because many people watch videos without sound. You can also add background music and sound effects. All you need to do is turn it on and adjust the volume to your liking. Once everything is ready, click Generate. In just a few seconds, your creepy cartoon video will be fully created. This exact style of video is currently going viral across TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and faceless YouTube channels. Many of these channels are brand new and are already getting millions of views. If you want the exact AI tool used to create these videos, comment AI and I'll send you the link. If you want more tutorials on faceless YouTube automation, AI tools, and viral content strategies, make sure to subscribe. Try this out and let me know what you think.